If CapCut is showing you a security notice problem, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through a simple fix step by step. This is a quick troubleshooting method that can help CapCut open normally again without getting stuck on that warning screen. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is force close CapCut completely. To do that on Windows, press Ctrl, Shift and ESC together to open Task Manager. Once Task Manager opens, look through the list of running apps and background processes for anything related to CapCut. If you see CapCut running, click on it, then right-click and choose End Task. If there are multiple CapCut processes, end each one of them so nothing is left running in the background. This is important because if CapCut is still active, the fix may not work properly. After closing CapCut, the next step is to clear the crash data cache. This can help remove corrupted files that may be triggering the security notice. Open File Explorer and go to your C drive. From there, follow this path carefully. Users, then Admin, then AppData, then Local, then CapCut, then User Data, then Crash. If you do not see AppData, make sure Hidden Items are enabled in File Explorer, because that folder is often hidden by default. Once you are inside the Crash folder, select everything in it and delete the contents. You do not need to remove the whole CapCut folder. Just clear out what is inside the Crash directory. After that, empty the recycle bin if you want to make sure those files are fully removed. Now comes the next step, and this one is very important. Disconnect your internet temporarily. You can do this by turning off your Wi-Fi or unplugging your Ethernet cable. If you use a VPN, turn it off for now as well. Then restart your internet connection or your VPN after a moment. This helps refresh the connection and can fix sign-in or verification issues that may be causing CapCut to display the security notice. Once your connection is back on, open CapCut again. Start the app normally and give it a few seconds to load. In many cases, CapCut should now open without the security warning and should run as expected. If it still takes a moment, just let it finish loading before clicking anything. Sometimes the app needs a clean restart after the cache has been cleared and the internet has been refreshed. If this method worked for you, make sure to like the video so more people can find this fix, and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials and troubleshooting guides. And if you are still having issues, you may want to repeat the steps carefully one more time and make sure CapCut is fully closed before clearing the crash files. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.